Is she coming? She's coming. She's coming. Where you going? Arctic lupine. Where? Oh, oh, that's a bird. Okay, again, again. Okay, okay. Whoa. Oh, oh! Juliana! Juliana, go, 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 go! Juliana's coming! Oh! Whoa! How come? What T means? Okay. Okay. Where is Jade? Was that that? I like that blue one. Let me see. No, that's not Arctic lupine. It's a wild. Arctic lupine is wild one. You can, yeah. The one we have, I see. I show you what we. The one in our street. That's yeah. Wow, there's a lot of birds. Yeah, yeah. Oh, maybe check if they have a seed. Yeah, I told you. He's not gonna go. He's not gonna. Oh, okay. There's Jade. There you go. There's Jade. Oh, there you go. There's Julie now and Gracie. They're like on the tea time that you cannot touch them. Why would they do that? Poor Joanna. Where are you guys going? Come in, Han. At least no poop, right? Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of bird. Gilana, you wanna go check it out? Make sure you don't step on the poop, though. There you go, guys. There's the geese. Oh, there's baby geese, Gilana. You wanna see? But don't go near, though.